Hi there, my name is Clifton and welcome to Concrete, where I show videos about home improvement, home consulting and home DIY. So let me ask you, how many times did this happen? Yes, a lot. So let me show you how to hang art properly every single time. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. Watch the full video and if you like it, subscribe and set that reminder. Before we start, this is the tools you need. I've also added in the video description down below. Craft paper, and if you don't have craft paper, any other paper will do. Masking tape, a measuring tape, scissors, mounting hardware, and a level. So let's start. Step number 1. Place the frame you want to hang on a piece of craft paper. Using a pencil or pen, trace around the frame and cut out the template. Step number 2. Mark the paper where the frame hanging hardware is. Measure a distance between the top of the frame and the hanging point. Step 3. This is simple. Transfer the measurement to the paper. Step 4. Use masking tape to temporarily adhere the template to the wall. Step 5. Take a step back and examine the template to make sure the spot is where you want to hang the art before you nail. If the spot looks good and feel right, nail into the center of the mark you made on the template. The last step, step 6. Tear away the template and tape. Hang up your art and check that it is level. There you go. 6 easy steps. Have an awesome day. Remember, keep it simple.